Look at this thing of beauty we created here. This is a 3/4 inch water line. You might not have seen it before, but this is a 3/4 inch water line. And the thing about this is, you see this right here? This is called a backflow preventer. What this does is it prevents someone from connecting the water hose here and water being pushed up back into your water system. This is actually required on all residential homes, and we put it here because it is a safety requirement. So at your house, check and see if you have a beautiful black backflow preventer. It has like a little diaphragm underneath. You might be able to see it. There's like a diaphragm, and so the water, when it pushes up, it stops the water from going up into the pipe. And this is the beautiful, beautiful connection that we made yesterday here at this clean room. Mattbeth.